Which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? 3 times 2x plus 1 times 4x plus 1. So this is a beautiful, beautiful example of how to FOIL. If you know how to do this, then you can FOIL anything. You can FOIL your way through life. So how to do this? Alright, so we want to basically multiply everything throughout. So first of all, before we begin, let's get this 3 in on the fun. I don't want it to be outside. So you want to FOIL the 3, right? So now what we're going to be doing is 3 times 2x plus 3 times 1. So that'll give us what? 3 times 2 is 6. So 6x plus 3. Okay? Now that times 4x plus 1. Now we got to FOIL that again. So how are we going to do it? So this, we're going to do 6x times 4x. Then we're going to do 3 times 4x. Then in our second iteration, we're going to do 6x times 1 and 3 times 1. Do you see what I just did? Okay? So let me write that. So I have 6x times 4x is 24x squared, right? Because 6 times 4 is 24, and x times x is x squared. Plus my second red line, which is the 3 times the 4x, which gives me 12x. Now, on to the blue. 6x times 1, which is just 6x, plus the 3 times the 1, which is 3. Now, I want to add these guys up, right? Because I want to simplify. I don't have a 12x plus a 6x floating around in my answers. And you could also take a look and notice that A doesn't have a 24x squared, so that's gone. And D doesn't have a 24x squared. So you're down to B and C. And well, you can really just pick C from now without really having to simplify this at all, because, well, you know that it can't be B because 24x squared plus 3 is missing something with an x. But if you want to find out, well, 12x plus 6x is 18x. And that is what your answer should be.